Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Strawberry Sunday, aka Lynn, and today I want. So today is Memorial Day. I went to today Memorial Day. Yesterday I went to a sushi place. It was awesome. I had toys. So we were sending in me and my family. We were sending in plates. And then we got a special surprise. So since basically I'm the youngest, so I got the ball. So this is it. It's a blue little ball. So let's see what's inside. My sister helped me open it. So we got this little paper, but on the other side it says, "Caution, please read these instructions carefully before use and retain for furniture reference. Ages 8 and up. Do not use this product for anything other than its intended use," which is erasing, I think. I'm pretty sure. Contains small parts. Never put toy in mouth. May pose choking or other hazard. Never give toy to children 3 years or age or younger. Harmful is swallowed. Do not disassemble or modify. Do not play with damaged or deformed project that. Keep away from direct sunlight. Keep away from locations that are too hot, such as close to fires or heating equipment. Keep away from food locations. May cause fire, deformity, and or deterioration. Whoa. I'm not going to read this part. So we got a little tiny eraser, but it's kind of in a packet right now. So what we got is, so these are the erasers. The one that we got is Naruto versus Sasuke. Sasuke looks like he's like holding a little ball of lightning. You know what? To me, Team Tashi looks really nice. Let's get this little baby open. Oh, that's a baby. Get this eraser open. One packet. Open sesame. Oh, look how clean this is. Look, I can use this for my school. So smooth. I think this is anime. I just got it. Oh my gosh. This is, I think it's anime. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I got anime. I think the place my family and I went was anime. Please, you guys, I guess you guys should go there because it's such a fun place. If you want spoilers, I can leave them in comments, or I'm just kidding. You guys just really should go there. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. I don't have much help. I don't know what's it called. Peace out. Also, leave a comment down below what should I do for my next video. Peace out.